Incorrect eigenvalues / vectors with Numpy. I am trying to find the eigenvalues / vectors for the following matrix. Using the code, I'm getting this as the answer. However, I believe the following should be the answer. That is, the eigenvalue eigenvector problem says that the follow should hold true.
The eigenvalues returned by Linold.eig are columns vectors, so you need to iterate over the transpose of E_vex, since iteration over a 2D array returns row vectors by default.